Okay, let's recap on everything that we've done in previous videos and make an ebook from scratch. There's not going to be very much design element to this. I'm merely going to take you through the functions and everything that we can do within the builder. I've clicked on the page. The management panel gives me all the functionality for the page itself. What I'm going to do here is select a fill and change the page to grey. I'm going to add some text. Select the text which is there and enter my own. Select the text, and from the management panel, select the size, extend the text box so it's all on the same line. I'm going to make that a size smaller. There we go. I'm going to move to the next page, save what we've done there for the cover. This time I'm going to add an image, but the image I'm going to drag from the thumbnail gallery and drop on the page icon here. That sets it as a page. We then get two additional icons, one to make it a double spread, one to bring it back to a single. So let's make it a double spread. But what we'll do is we'll convert it to grayscale and I'll reduce the opacity of it down. There you go, so it's just there lightly in the background. I'm also going to add a video. There we go. Change the colour of the skin. I'm going to put it matching to grey. I can increase the size of the video and I can put a border around it as well. I'm also going to put an audio file on there. I'm going to set the audio file to autoplay, so when we turn to this page it will play for us, and I'm going to change the colour of the audio player to black. Let's get some more images. There we go. Let's just drag and drop a couple onto the page. Something else I'm going to show you here that we haven't seen yet are frames. There's a number of different frames here that we can drag and drop onto a picture, and it wraps itself around the picture. There we go. Let's rotate. Let's drag the orange, drop that one on. Let's go for one of the funky collection, an animal print. There we go. I can extend the size of the image and rotate it slightly. Great, so we've got video, an audio file, and we've got some images. Let's move to the back page. This time I'm going to put a bit of text on there and a hotspot that takes us back to the front cover. So let's put the text on. Increase the size of the text. Now let's get our hotspot tool. Put the hotspot over here. We want it to be transparent in the book. We won't put any alt text in. That means the balloon won't pop up. And instead of it linking to a URL or an email, we're going to have it going back to the front cover. And what we'll do, we'll get the vector tool and we'll put a little bit of detail around that. Again, let's change the colour, make it grey. Because we've got several layers here, let's push it to the back so the text now is the top layer on top. Let's get another image. There we go. Drag it, drop it onto the page background. Now if at any point when you've created a book you need to change pages, let's say for example you've uploaded a PDF and you need to make a change to one of the pages in the book, exactly the same theory applies that I've just done there. You find the page, you drag it, you drop it on the page icon. There we go. Let's publish our book and we'll leave it public so we can all see it. You can see the example that I've just made. So let's save it. The account that I have is a partner account, so I'll be prompted to choose the skin colour of the viewer. I'm going to just select black. I've then got another option of changing the title, the description, the tags again. Let's not put it in business, let's put it in design and designers. I'll have comments inside my book and we'll click publish. In fact, no we won't. Let's cancel this. Let's go to the book settings and let's select some audio so it runs throughout the book. We'll save that and we'll republish. Once this book is published, we'll go into my account and I'll show you where you can then gain access to books to open them again in the builder or to manage the settings and change the settings of the book. Okay, let's open it. And here we are, here's the book that we've just created. If you remember, when we first started detailing the book, we asked that the comment panel would show on the viewer page. Here's the comment panel. So here's what we've done. We have the grey book cover. We've got the text here that we added in. You can hear the background music playing. If we turn the page, this audio file here starts to play. We've set it to autoplay. The background music has faded out. If we pause this, the background music comes in again. The video here that we added, if we click play there, again the background music fades out and the video plays. There's our background that we placed, turned it to grayscale, reduced the opacity, the pictures we added on the page with the frames. Let's turn to the back cover. The background music starts up again. We can see the image here that we dragged from the thumbnail gallery to replace the existing cover that was there. Then we've got a bit more text. We've got the vector that we placed around the text, and we've got the hotspot tool. So as I move the cursor over the hotspot, you can see it changing to indicate it's there. If I click, we ask the hotspot to take us back to the front cover. Right, there we go. Let's close our book down. Let's go to our account, and it's here in our account where we can go to our ebooks. We can open our ebooks here. We can see those that we've created, published, or that we're currently working on. We have an option here to either change the book settings again or open the book in Builder.